Good morning, students. Let us discuss and do the question answers of the story We Are Not Afraid to Die. Students, first thing that I want you to do is to read the text thoroughly. As while posting the video of text explanation, I asked you to go through the lines of the text. As the pattern of examination is changed from the last year, 40 marks multiple choice question answers will be there in out of 80 marks question paper. And from those 40 marks, 10 are from 6 or 7 marks, 8 are for grammar, 12 are for comprehension, and the remaining 20 are from literature, 2 books, all the poems and the stories. So it is obligatory on the part of every student to understand the text thoroughly and to learn the facts described in the text. What I have noticed that only 26 students have read the text from my previous video. Dear students, it is not good thing for good scoring students. I know you understand by self-reading, but at least you should once go through the video so that you can understand. Beta, whenever we are to learn something, visual, audio, and self-reading, all 3 things are required. When we do self-reading, we understand that we know each and everything, but we cannot judge ourselves. We cannot gauge our understanding until or unless we do the question answers. We frame the question. We answer the questions framed by our own selves. So in this video, I am sending you some of the questions that I have taken from net. These question answers are not mentioned in any of the guides. These are from NCERT website and I have given you all these questions. Maximum of the facts mentioned in the story are discussed in these questions. But still, many might have been left. Because it's not, if we go to find out each and every line question, so one story means minimum 50 questions, 1 mark questions. As when I was explaining the text, I told you the breadth of the wave walker, the name of the ship, the weight of the ship, the height of the mast, kilometers journey, from where they started, where they reached first, on which date what happened, what was the name of the island that they wanted to reach, what were the conditions, what things, what equipments they carried with them, what did they do before starting their journey. So these all are 1 mark question answers. 1 mark question answers means multiple choice question answers. And these questions which I have sent you in this present video, these all include both 1 mark question answers as well as 2 marks question answers. The difference between 2 is what? In 1 mark question answers, you are to write only 1 word. Rather tick the correct word or tick the correct phrase because options are given to you in the examination, in the question paper. But in case of 2 marks questions, you are to give 2 value points. Means you are to write 2 answers of that particular question. 2 answers means 2 things mentioned. Suppose one question, size of the boat is asked you. So it carries 2 marks. It can carry because we'll mention its weight, we'll mention its length, we mention its breadth, everything. So carries 3 more than 2 value points. But in case a question is asked, what happened on 4th January? you are to write 2 points, 2 things that happened on 4th January. Only then you will be able to secure 2 marks. So I have tried to give you some questions solved with solved answers so that you can frame your own questions and your own answers. Thank you, students.